welcome to Sentiments Tour of Paris. Oh, actually left out the best part. Welcome to Sentiments Free Tour of Paris.
Woo!
You look different to me these days.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Abesh,
First day
ka.
in
Paris, France. Andito kami sa Ilog, Pasig.
Yeah. Kasi walang basura. Yun lang
At least
tayo
walang
pa.
basura kahit na hindi rin masyadong maganda. Pupunta kami sa Fontaine
Fontaine?
de Michel.
Di Michel.
Oh, umaaura. Sumusunod. Papatan.
Kasi buko-buko.
Alright guys, ready for the group picture? Yeah. Let's look at Florencia. You have to yell 1, 2, 3, Paris! Paris! Very important. Ready? 1, 2, 3, Paris! So, also give you a pretty good idea of what Paris used to look like before the redesigning of the city by Baron Haussmann and Napoleon III. Now, all of Paris used to look just like this, with this tiny, winding, narrow street. Okay, behind me is actually the narrowest street in Paris officially. Who do you think this was built for? Who, in your opinion, is the Lady of Paris? Not Joan of Arc.
Not
Yes,
Mary.
the Virgin Mary was built in honor of the Virgin Mary. They started in building this church in 1163. It was only completed in 1345. It wasn't always the case, because the French Revolution happened and revolutionaries hated Notre Dame. They tried to destroy it. They decapitated all the statues over here. They threw rocks through the windows. The doors were destroyed. 30 years after the revolution, did not look good at all. It was an open-air toilet. It was abandoned. Everyone in Paris wanted to destroy it. We wanted to tear it to the ground, to use the stone to build something else, instead something useful. Everybody was convinced, except for one man, a young writer from the Latin Quarter. He loved Notre Dame. He knew how important it was for Paris. He wanted to protect it. He thought he would convince Parisians not to destroy Notre Dame. How? By getting them excited about Notre Dame. How about writing a novel about it and adding interesting characters in the novel? How about a hunchback who would ring the bell for Notre Dame? This underage gypsy dancer in front of the church. A priest in love with that dancer. Obviously, guys, I am talking about Victor Hugo and his masterpiece. Hunchback of Notre Dame, that's right, for an English title. Simply Notre Dame de Paris is the French original title. The book was a huge success. Everybody read it. He was 28 years old, Victor Hugo. Huge success all over France, Paris, and people decided that yes, it was worth keeping, cleaning, rebuilding the windows, the doors, the statues, and making it the way you can see it today. what a nice day, huh? We're really lucky today. Alright, so a few things I want to point out from here. First of all, this bridge used to be pretty famous. It had it's called the Bridge of Arts. It had a nickname. It used to be the Lovelock Bridge. Remember the Lovelock tradition? When all the couples used to come here, put the names on the Lovelock, put the Lovelock on the bridge, throw the key in the water, swear eternal love. Yeah, that definitely happened on that bridge. Very famous for that. But then it got viral. So viral that there were so many Lovelocks on that bridge. The panels, they started to collapse. They did not look good at all at the end. Got rusty. They're big bike locks. Some combination locks also. I don't know what that means about your relationship if you don't believe in it so much. After the breakup, come back, remember the combination, take it out. Scratch girl's name, put another girl's name. I don't know. The fact is, there were so many Lovelocks on that bridge. The panels, they started to collapse. And 2 years ago, the mayor said enough. She closed the bridge for one whole week. They took out all the panels. They added the weight of all of these panels. It added up to 45 tons. That's how many Lovelocks were on the bridge. Now it's plexiglass panels, so it's the end of the Lovelock tradition. Sorry guys, you missed it. Okay, especially today on Valentine's Day, no more Lovelocks here in Paris. But this is where it happened.
Mga Asian goods. So, andito po kami sa The Great Pyramid of China. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala yun. Ano pala to? Paano ba i-pronounce yung ano? Lubo? Lube. Lube.
Sabihin ako sa'yo.
Ano yan sis? Gusto ko yung marinig.
I love you.
I love. Ano? I love.
Long life.
Palong life?
Long life na.
O yung puso na lang ni Debbie abot natin para
Tsaka rin kasama yung pituitary glands niya.
Presented it to the French people. Do you think we liked it? No. We hated it. It was terrible. We thought, why the pyramid is a symbol that mix of new and old.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Maligayang
Kayong pagsilang. Maligaya, maligaya, maligaya. Si Lynette. Joke na.
Sumgeburstag
Feel good. Sumgeburtstag, feel good. Sumgeburtstag,
Michelle
Ay! Sumgeburtstag.
Pwede na?
Wow! Happy birthday! Happy Valentine's! Happy birthday!
Thank